Investing is simple but not easy. Hi, welcome to Money School. I'm Srinivas. Subscribe to this channel to get updates. Simple if you know how to identify the stock. Once identified the stock, it's not easy to buy the stock in large quantity when the market is fluctuating. This requires a strong conviction. And it's not easy to sit tight and hold the stock for a long period of time. Let us check how simple idea would have made you into Crorepati. Only if you could have bought right and sit tight. During our childhood times, people used to cook rice dal in normal vessels. Then came an era of pressure cooker, and you could hear the sound of pressure cooker whistle almost from every house 3 times a day. If one could spend some time in understanding the market and analyze which brand of pressure cooker is selling the most, and if you had invested rupees 10 lakhs in 2003, you would be worth many crores. Can you imagine how many crores you would have made? You will be surprised to know. Watch the complete details in next video.